Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about VPNs for Barbados. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with stuff that doesn't really matter for users in Barbados or things you might not care about, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'm going to cut to the chase. I'll tell you which ones are the best VPNs for Barbados right now and share a few things about each that actually matter to you. That way you can just pick one and enjoy the best online experience. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my entire research document for free and read it anytime this year. No joke. All right, let's get straight into it. Top 3 VPN services for Barbados and why. First up, NordVPN is the best VPN for Barbados by a long shot. Why? Because it works flawlessly with Barbados's local infrastructure. That's super important for a smooth internet experience. Speed. It's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, and excellent download and upload speeds. Perfect for streaming local and international content without buffering. Features. It has all the features you could want. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. It keeps you safe on public Wi-Fi hotspots all around Barbados. Pricing and support. Affordable for what it offers, and support is top-notch, reliable 24/7, no matter where you are in Barbados. Do they keep logs? Nope, not at all. Critical for privacy. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech available, keeping your data safe from prying eyes. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and reasonably priced for all the protection and speed it gives you. Negatives? 10 device limit. Second best VPN for Barbados is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built purely for performance, especially great if you want consistent speed browsing from Barbados. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently low ping. No lag spikes, no packet loss. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or on video calls, your connection stays smooth. Features, it has all the essentials, plus a few extras. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great if you want to route only certain apps through the VPN. Super handy for optimizing your internet use in Barbados. Pricing and support, one of the best value VPNs out there, often cheaper than competitors, but still delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful, which really matters when dealing with local network quirks. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. Their no-logs policy has been independently audited. Encryption? Best encryption tech available, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy geeks nervous. But their no-log audit stands strong. The server network is also smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN, perfect for straightforward use in Barbados with great value. Third best VPN for Barbados is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization on this list, which is super helpful if you want access to sites or services restricted in Barbados. Speed, very good. The huge server network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server near or outside Barbados for the best connection. Features. It's packed. A kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here, so you can tweak your privacy settings just how you like. Pricing and support. Almost always the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is pretty good and professional. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. Their no-logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Top-tier encryption tech, and it's even customizable. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based. Also, the app isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, a reliable, transparent, and powerful VPN. The best choice if you're on a budget but still want a huge network and advanced features for Barbados. And that's it. My top 3 picks for Barbados: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching from Barbados, even if you just pick one based on the colors or logos, you'll be totally fine, because they just work for all your internet needs. Quick recap before we wrap up. If you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the absolute best VPN for Barbados, a premium experience with the most features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that delivers incredible value for what you pay. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below so you can snag the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and hey, let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.